Good afternoon. I'm getting a lot of questions regarding will the government shutdown slow down my mortgage process for clients who are currently in process. The simple answer is yes. This especially depends on what type of loan that you're doing. Most of the loans are actually moving ahead. It's really the third party verifications and FHA and VA endorsements that are slowing down. So things like getting information from the IRS are going to take a little longer because they're at half staff or less. Flood insurance it's still being issued as long as they have money, but if depending on how long the government shutdown goes, this could be a problem. There is an alternative company out there that's nationally giving out flood insurance called Neptune Insurance. You may want to look that up. Again, the tax and income verifications could take longer with some of the agencies closed if you're a client and you work for a government agency. VA loans still moving forward, but process is slow. FHA and USDA loans, new applications may see delays, but a lot of the banks have their own, we have our own warehouse funds, so we can fund those and wait for it to come back on. USDA is actually not accepting applications in some areas, so you can get pre-approved, but you may not. It may take longer to fund depending on what this goes on. So in short, you want to really get ahead on your paperwork. Get your paperwork in as soon as possible. So if we have to order tax transcripts, you have all that information in. So we're going to ask you for a lot more paperwork up front instead of saying, hey, once you find a home, we'll get that from you. So go ahead and start getting that together. Planning ahead and working with an experienced loan officer and a team is going to really help you. So if you have any other questions or about your personal situation, I'm here to guide you through. You can reach me at 404-461-3172 or reggieloans.com. Have a great day.